Hi guys, you might remember a while ago I had a box opening of some ob11 things, and in it was also some Nendoroid little dolls which have the same body as the ob11. This was my little ghost girl. She had come, and this hair, which I had thought they sent the wrong hair, but I'd ordered an extra hair, had come with her. And I also had two other bodies and face plates, but the hair hadn't come. Well, the hair just arrived, so I thought it would be fun to kind of put them all together. So let's see, I'll get these guys out first. So these are their bodies. I think I just got like normal, I'm not sure where it will say the flavor, the flavor of their skin, the color of their skin. I think it's just like the normal, like a flesh tone. These are their face plates. So let's open these. This is my little boy one that I bought. And this is the little girl. Oh no, this is the boy. This is the boy. I got the cute little squinty face boy. And then this one I got for the girl. Just kind of a puzzled expression. I might as well open their bodies right now too. Abigail, my little ghost girl, her body is a paler body, is the whitest white. And this extra white hair had come with her. So I've been able to enjoy her, but I'm excited because her actual hair that I ordered for her arrived with these guys' hair. I thought I just cut the tape on these. What is the problem here? These are YMY bodies. It came from the place that I ordered the hair and the face plates. Also ordered like a bunch of clothes and stuff. That was all in the other haul video. And I need this little adapter piece. Still not super good at this. I haven't, the only other one that I've done is her, and then oh, I did cut it. I did an actual like Nendoroid figure, two of them, and turned them into little Nendoroids on a BJDhouse bodies. And they have little hands, little fist hand, and a little grabbing hand that I can change. I'm not gonna do that in this video. I'll probably just do that on my own time if I decide to change their hands. So as you can see, the skin tone of them, these bodies, is a lot lighter than Abigail's. She's paler, she's more white. And that is because she's my little ghost girl. So fun. So we have their heads and their bodies, and now we have hair. So I just got this in the mail yesterday, and I opened it up, and when I saw the box I knew it was inside, but I didn't open anything that was inside. Got a little pop bottle, a little skateboard, and I have 3 sets of hair. So this should be fun. We will start with, let's just start with the boys, because I can tell by the color whose is whose. I got him like a black. And let's hope this is all the parts we need, because goodness, I feel like I've been waiting forever to finish these dolls. I can't even remember when I ordered them. Was it like June, July, something like that? Maybe. But, okay, let's see if I can figure this out. I might take Abigail apart so that she can be a guide and kind of help me figure out how I did it last time, because I know I was fumbling a lot. Okay, so there we go. It goes kind of in the bottom like this, like so. And then you stick his head on. It should fit in there. Please fit in there. Oh, it goes on the bottom. Like so. And then I can stick his hair on. Yay! There's my cute little boy. I like this hair. It's kind of messy, but also just kind of tame. We got a little cowlick. I didn't bring, oh yes, I did bring the clothes, but I don't think I'll be dressing them. So this is my little boy. He's a cute little Nendoroid ob11. So here is the girl version. I was so upset when I opened the other box opening and there was no hair, and I thought for sure because my order had been so big and they had sent so many, like 3 or 4 different orders together, I thought for sure that they had just forgot and that it was going to be another 4, 5, 6 months before I saw their hair. But luckily when I messaged them, they said that the hair would still be coming, that they had to paint it. So here we go. Her hair is pink. Oh, and she has little, oh my gosh, cute. She has little space buns that stick in her hair. These little dolls are really fun. I slowed way down. I haven't ordered outfits for any of them for maybe not since I did the box opening, because I just felt like I had enough. Okay, we can do this. Yes, we can. I don't know if this is the right way to do it, back to front, but it's what we're doing here. So there's like the little slots to slide everything in. You can kind of see where her ears go. Come on, be easy. It's not be easy. Let's see, this goes in the front, so her face goes on this part. I'm gonna try and do this backwards. This is her hair on the front. Cute, huh? Pink. Oh. Well, hope that doesn't cause any problems, right? Okay, so now we have this section and it should just slide on to here. It's fit, this bottom part is fitting weird. There we go. Now we just need to slide it all together. I mean, you do want it tight. If you want it this tight. Anyway, I'm gonna have to I don't want to break it because it took so long to hit hair, so I'm just going to leave it for now and try and see if I can get it tighter later. But here's her little balls. Little space buns, little pom-pom head balls. So cute. So here's my little girl. Isn't she fun? So fun. So cute. That hair is heavy. All right, now let's try and do Abigail's hair. Abigail's hair is a little different. I ordered a color, and when I started looking at it, it was a gray. I contacted them and said, I just want white. So I'm not sure what design. Okay, it is different. I couldn't remember what design it was, if it was the same pom-pom, because they only had like pom-poms and these, I'm thinking. I don't know if they had straight. So here's Abigail's. Let's see how much this kind of, you can't tell. This has like a yellower tint to it, and this is more of a white. These little pieces of paper in there. What am I doing? Okay. So let's slide this in the bottom. Hopefully hers fits better. We can slide her head in right here. Oh, perfect fit. And then put her bangs on. Same problem as with the other girl. I'm going to have to kind of do some pushing and trying to get the little slots in, but for now that's good. So there we go. Oh, I like that hair. I didn't mind this hair, but I really like this white hair. She's so cute. I should have changed her face while I was at it. I do have another face for Abigail, but we'll keep it as this one right now. It's got to kind of pop it in there a little better. I'm wondering if I just need to like push down. I might take them apart and fit them together and see if that loosens it up or fits it in there better, and then without the faceplate, and then put them back together. So there we go. My little Nendoroids are all here. And her hair is good for her to sit up on. So I'm really excited for these. These are a lot of fun. Like I said in the previous video, the ob11 little dolls, the same clothes fit these because they have the same body. These are all of the things that I have bought in this bin. I have some boy shoes. I don't think there's anything new that I haven't shown. So I think now I'm just going to get them dressed and be able to enjoy them after however many months it's been. I think it's been like 5 months. No, July, August, September, October. It's been probably 4 months, but that's okay. They were well worth it. Oh, I was going to say the shop's name. I am not positive. I think it's BJDhouse. It was just on Etsy. Their prices were really reasonable. I don't know if they're like a subsidiary or if they also are on AliExpress, because I've since learned that a lot of these clothes and stuff you can find cheaper on AliExpress, but these weren't that expensive at all. The hair was the most expensive thing out of the entire body, but like the lady or the seller said when they wrote me back, it's because they would paint them. They must spray them or something. So fun. And look at Abigail with her braids. I do enjoy this white wig much more than the other one, so I'm happy with that. Worth the wait. So I hope you're all doing well, and we will see you again soon. Bye.